So the second thing that here I'm demonstrating is the usage of HashTable, and I'm doing that in the test HashTable servlet. If you go to test HashTable servlet, you'll find that I'm here defining an object of a hash t handler class, and if you go to that one, you will find that this class is built on top of a hash table data type. So I'm defining a method. I'm defining it as a field, and also here in the constructor I'm doing initialization, and over here as well I'm doing some other method like inserting, putting, and getting all the keys, getting all the elements. Notice that get elements will return get all values, which is will use the hash table elements method will return an enumeration. So you have also to be careful about what each method returns, so that you can define the appropriate methods, appropriate data types when you call these values or methods. So here I'm defining two enumeration, numbers and names, because I will need to call these methods, and this method will return enumeration. So here I define an object and add these 4 records, and then I loop through all of these records, all of these numbers and names. So the names will get all the values, which is all the value and the key and the value, and then I'll print out each one of them. So this is just an example of how to use HashTable. So if you go back to this class and you see here I included only just a HashTable. I defined here enumeration, but I never used them. But this is just to give you an idea how to build a class that utilize such a data type, because maybe just imagine that you need to store a complex data type into an object. So in that object you define fields of a hash table type, and this will give you a flexibility to manipulate, even pass this information from a servlet to a JSP